Precious Music Buzz Mixed News. I'm Mia.
And I'm Bianca. People are still talking about the Mixed Music Awards 2010.
Yes, it was a truly memorable night, especially Rico Blanco's surprise performance.
Oh, yes. I must say he really
Shocking.
took it to the next level.
I actually didn't expect that he'd start dancing.
That way, the way he did.
The way he did. Ang galing. But you know what?
Lahat ng hassle ay nawawala. Lahat ng hassle ay nawawala. Wala na tayong mga problema. Tanggal lahat ng anti-tweet sa dibdib. Pati arthritis mo'y mawawala. Ayos na, ayos na. At sana di mo na little paper sa love life mong kanis. Before I believe lahat ng piyena biglang gaganda. Pasipol-sipol na lang. Gusto't kasama kita. Ayos na, ayos na, ayos na. Gusto't kasama kita. Ayos na, ayos na, ayos na. Lahat ng hassle ay mawawala. Gusto't kasama kita. Ayos na, ayos na, ayos na. Walang permisyon, walang itin, walang rice toppings na nabuhulan kanin. Pati impyerno ay e-aircon na. Masod pedas pa, hindi na naman. Yeah! Gusto't kasama kita. Ayos na, ayos na, ayos na. Gusto't kasama kita. Ayos na, ayos na, ayos na. Lahat ng hassle ay mawawala. Gusto't kasama kita. Ayos na, ayos na, ayos na. Lala!
ayos pa doon. Hindi talaga magpapatalo ang Rico
Grabe.
Blanco.
I think dapat si Raver Cruz
Mamahinga na. Huwag naman sana.
ma-intimidate siya, matakot na siya.
Pwede na siya sa Super Dance Crew.
I love it! Grabe!
Very
He really
talented.
lives, diba?
I think after Rico Blanco, lahat kami nawalan na po ng trabaho.
For me, personally, the best performance of the night, Rico Blanco.
Rico Blanco! Lalo na yung
Unbelievable.
parang yung dance move niya na parang
Favorite performance namin kanina sa Mixed Music Awards ay yung kay Rico Blanco. The best na bigla kami dun.
yeah, yung collaboration nila with Hilera. So, sobrang the best. Sumayo pa si Rico, so stick.
My favorite performance, obviously, is Rico Blanco's show-stopping performance with Hilera. So, just when you thought na tapos na, he comes out with this amazing dance number. I really am very thankful for Rico doing that in the Mixed Music Awards. Thank you, Rico.
My favorite performance, wasak na wasak kami. Ngayon, magaling si Gorix.